let me explain. All right? Let's get it. So, anywho, I highly doubt you can hear me because the car is loud. Clearly I'm in Betty, which is always a good thing. As I blow by this guy, because you're going too slow, buddy. Thank you. So, where have I been? A little bit of a, not long story. I have plans that I'm trying to bring out to you guys. Reason I have lack of content currently right now is I'm working on a little deal, trying to get this other car into the channel. It's another Mustang, run you in 96. Can you go a little faster, buddy? Oh my god. So I'm trying to get this other car in. I'm trying to get this guy with the deal. He's waiting on paperwork. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to see if it can happen. The contact's not been, I mean, I guess it's been slacking. It's been slacking. I haven't gotten a chance to do what I wanted to do because I've been waiting on things. I sent my, you know, Milwaukee. You guys know, the good old, the trusty Milwaukee. Let's give it a name. Let's call it Spencer. Spencer the Impact. Yeah, I like it. Spencer the Impact. I sent him over to Milwaukee because he needs to get a little bit of fixing done. As this guy takes a trillion years to go by. Spencer, the Impact, is currently being worked on. And I'm actually going to be going to Lowe's today to get a Cobalt Impact wrench gun thing, peel. So, I just want to give a quick little update video for you guys as I'm going to go do this. I've been bringing you guys in to Lowe's, so why not? Let me park. I got to return some stuff at Old Navy, which is not really important, but I might as well mention. So give me a few while that Jeep tries to back into me and not have insurance. Let me park in here, right? Nice parking. Chris is amazing. You guys know I have my CDL? Not the best driver in the world, but that's besides the point. Let's see, am I gonna hit this wall? Sure. All right, give me a sec. Let me go take care of Old Navy. I'll be right back. Yeah, that rain's coming down. Hey, buddy, hey, look at, are you, yo. I mean, that rain is coming down. Jeez. Back to what I was saying. Spencer, the Impact, getting worked on. I don't know when I'm getting it back. It says it got shipped, so it might take a week. I have no idea. We got a car that I'm looking at, wanting to get. I have parts for Betty. My only issue with having parts for Betty is it's not going to be worth putting on if I'm getting another car that I can put those parts onto there on. So I've been holding back on certain videos mainly because those parts can also work for the Mustang that I want to get. So I mean, it's like it's like a bit of a drag. I'm like caught in a pickle a little bit. I don't really know exactly what to do. I got an old school car that I'm working on. Car me and my dad got. It's actually been introduced, not really introduced, but I have a video really on it, of a wheel lock video. Be sure to go check that out if you guys have not already. Also, I'm at 130 subs. I didn't even make a video saying thank you. Let this be it, somewhat. I really do appreciate every single one of you so far that subscribed to the channel. Like, yo, I'm one that didn't believe I could start doing it, let alone get people to sub to me. And it's been pretty cool. I have a different job also, so that takes a bit of a toll on it. Timing's a little off. I don't want to make that a big issue. It's more or less just the parts that I want to put onto the car. And I want to put it onto another one that if I get it, it's really loud in here. It's loud. Hey, look. Someone's walking their dog in the rain. Nice. But it's been kind of a cluster of a bunch of things. I got more parts for that other car. Oh, also, I kind of want to switch up the introduction video that I have. You know, where I start with once I say let's get it, and you know, excuse me, I gotta bleep that out. Nice. So I want to do another introduction video in a way, not introduction, but more or less just the intro of the clips I play with the car. I want to add more cars to it because I'm starting to realize that even when I do other videos, I use that intro and it makes no sense. So I'm putting one car when I'm working on multiple. So I'm gonna add them all, dude. I mean, give me a heads up. Give me a signal light or something. But Lila, the truck, Betty, the Mustang. I don't know what to call the Aspen. So I got an 80 Dodge Aspen, right? 1980 Dodge Aspen. Clean car. I'll explain more in another video as to what exactly got done to it or how I got it. I'm gonna put that also in this little intro. So that's as much a gist of an update as I have, to be exact. Just driving to Home Depot because I got to return something there too. Hey guys, if you got a receipt, return it all. Just return it. It's got a receipt. You know what I'm saying? Give me a sec. Let me head into Home Depot and then we will shoot over to Lowe's and I'll bring you guys into Lowe's. Be right back. So I'm on my way to Lowe's. At Lowe's, I'm gonna go pick up Brittany the Impact. No, not Brittany. I don't like Brittany. How about Chelsea? We're gonna pick up Chelsea the Impact. Chelsea? No. Cobalt is a daily beater. Brianna the Impact? Because she was beat. Ah, Christ, that is just terrible. You know, we're just gonna pick up a Cobalt Impact. I'm on my way to Lowe's. I'll see you guys there. Just pulled into my Lowe's. We're gonna find the parking because I gotta park to get out this car. Let's go next to the carriages. That way they scratch my car up. Man, people love Betty, I promise you. Smart idea. Smart. No. Probably very stupid. But that's okay. Very okay, honestly. I'll put you guys on this backpack. I think I'm also gonna put you on a wide angle because it's gonna make sense. And I don't know. Mask up. If you're in a blue state, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're in a red state, you're lucky SOB. Let's get you guys on my backpack and let's start walking inside. Got you on the super wide, which is okay. You know, I think we're gonna grab the Betty the Impact. I mean, wait, no, Brittany the Impact. Let's do it. We're gonna get one of these. Brittany the Impact. How much? $269. Oh, that is nice. What is this? Is that a radio? I don't know. That is cool. Yeah, excuse me. Hello. Can I get assistance with the Cobalt Impacts? How are you?
Good, and yourself?
Doing all right.
Would you like a protection plate for it?
What does that cover? I see this has like a 5-year, 3-year thing. What does that cover?
This is like if something happens to it, they'll take it and fix it, get it fixed for you.
Okay. And it's like a
They
direct.
just go through the Cobalt.
What's easier? Go through Lowe's or Cobalt?
Lowe's.
We'll do that then. What's the price on it?
For 2 years it's 50, and for 3 years it's 60.
We'll do 2 years. Yeah, I'm back from Lowe's, at the house now, or the garage, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't really matter. I kind of want to hope that this is the gist of what is going on. You understand why things are the way they are right now. So this is just a little update video. And as far as, you know, the new installment to the channel, Brittany the Impact, I mean, not for nothing. We're not going to even open it right now. That wasn't a word. We're not opening nothing at this current moment. What we're going to actually do, I might end up just doing an unboxing video of this just to try and get more content on to the channel. It can maybe help out some of you people if you want this particular Impact, what to expect, what to, whatever. You're going to see this a whole lot more compared to the Milwaukee. So all in all, I hope you guys at least try to enjoy the little gist of this video. Real quickly, shout out to It's Just a 6. You know, we got the RPM Act hat going on here. I kind of like this hat. It's pretty dope. But for all of you who have subscribed already, appreciate you. Appreciate the love, all the comments. I try to reply to as much as I can. If you're brand new to this channel, be sure to leave a like for your boy. Whether you like the video or not, just put it in there. Why not? Smash that subscribe button in as well as ring the notification bell. Till then, it's been your boy Chris Rod, and I'll see all of you. I'll see all you lovely people in the next one. Peace.
Deja que ella te arrebate, pero no la maltrate. No es simplemente una mata. Préndele, dos cachas y sube para la nube.